She lived on a curve in the road, in an old tar paper shack, on the south side of the town, on the wrong side of the tracks. Sometimes on the way into town we'd say, "Mama, can we stop and give her a ride?" Sometimes we did, but her hands flew from her side. Wild-eyed, crazy Mary. Down a long dirt road, past the Parsons place, the old blue car we used to race, a little country store with a sign tagged to the side, said no Loiteringa loud. Underneath that sign always congregated quite a crowd. Take a bottle, drink it down, pass it around. Take a bottle, drink it down, drink it, pass it around. Take a bottle, drink it down, pass it, take it, pass it around. One night, thunder cracked, Mercy backed outside her windowsill. Dreamed I was flying high above the trees, over the hills, looked down into the house of Mary. Marble newspaper covered walls, and Mary rising up above it all. Next morning on the way into town, saw some skid marks and followed them around, over the curb, through the fields, into the house of Mary. That what you fear the most could meet you halfway. That what you fear the most could meet you halfway.